Okay, graduate student is in orbit 32.5 kilometers from the center of a black hole. So let's draw a couple circles here. Let's imagine that this is the singularity there. Here's our Schwarzschild radius. Right, and then of course this person is. If we can see them, they're outside the event horizon. So they are 32.5 kilometers in their little spaceship, right? Okay, and we see it flashing every 17.2 seconds. But the beacon is actually flashing at every 5 seconds, right? So they're pretty close to that event horizon, right? So we've got this equation here. We're going to go the gravitationally dilated time is equal to the undilated time over the square root of 1 minus the Schwarzschild radius over the distance you are from the center of the black hole, right? Okay, and then we want to solve that, I think, for the Schwarzschild radius, right? Okay, and so what does that look like? That looks like 1 minus is equal to, so I just switched these guys, right? Remember, this is over 1, and so I can just switch these guys. That's the, there it is. And of course I did that because I want to square these, so let's square that. That gets rid of this, right? Okay, and we get, our next step is we get 1 minus r. This is just supposed to be like the next step, right? Is over, right? We square that. That's what we get, right? Then I think what we got to do is we got to go 1 minus. What are we solving for? We're solving for the Schwarzschild radius. Okay, that's kind of cool, right? And then you solve for it. And all these relativity equations are super cool. When you solve for one thing, they look like the original thing. So I think we end up with Rs is equal to the distance you are times 1 minus. So that equals, how far are we? We are 32.5 kilometers. Kilometers times 1 minus. And then I'm going to go, let's see, it's 5 seconds is the proper time, right? The undilated time. And then the dilated time is 17.2. All right, here we go. So 32.5 times parentheses 1 minus 5 squared divided by 17.2 squared. 29.75. So I'm getting kilometers. This, of course, would be kilometers. So the Schwarzschild radius is 29.75 kilometers, which 29.8. That's pretty close. All right.